Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Doug Beck with JDL Ventures and Douglas J Development. I'm really excited to be talking with you today about a new service we're going to be offering called the Deal Consultation Service. And this is really for anyone who has got a deal that they're not sure about, or maybe they got themselves in a bad situation where you have a contractor not performing on the job, or you have a tenant who's not doing what they're supposed to be doing, or you have a lender that's not pulling through for whatever reason, or you're just trying to figure out the deal makes sense at all before you even go ahead and buy the property. We're here for you to help. We've done hundreds and hundreds of transactions successfully, thank God, and also some that didn't go so well. So we're here to share with you the experiences and also the resources that we have to offer on a deal-by-deal basis, and we're looking forward to talking with you about your situation. So go ahead and fill out the form below. No obligation. Just want to get on the phone with you for a few minutes, ask you some basic questions, see if we could be of service, and if we can, we'll find a way to work with you and help you either make some more money or avoid losing a bunch of money in the situation you're facing. So hope to hear from you real soon. Until then, have a great rest of your day.